Welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Today in this video I'm going to discuss in brief about the recent transit took place. Now Sun moved to Leo. Previously Sun was sitting in Cancer and now Sun has moved to his own zodiac sign Leo. What is going to happen at the country level, what all things you have to take care of, and what all zodiac sign are positively and negatively impacted by this transit. If you have subscribed my channel, then thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then request you to subscribe it to get the daily notification from us. So let's start first. What is the overall this particular transit overall impact in overall at country level and at our level, what is going to happen. So when Sun transit into the Leo, this is not so good time for few zodiac sign, and for few zodiac sign it is a good time. If I talk about at the country level, there will be more fights, more aggression, and to see the imbalances in at the country level. This is not a good time for overall as a country. This is a time where people will feel more frustrated, anger, impatience, and they will find their nature to be very impulsive too. This is not so good time for relationship, for as well as people are without any reason people will fight with their family members, with their loved one. This is a time where you have to take care of your health also, and while traveling you have to be a little bit conscious. So every month Sun transit from one zodiac sign to another, and on the basis of that this prediction is going to happen when Sun is transiting into Leo. So first zodiac sign is Aries. For Aries people, Sun transit into Leo is not a good transit for you. For you, Sun is going to transit in your fifth house. Fifth house, which is a house of the children, which is a house of the entertainment. So for you, Sun will sit in Leo for 1 month in the fifth house, and this placement of Sun is not so favorable for you. You will be started seeing the delay and the challenges in your work. You will started getting blockages in your work. Not only this, it is not so good time if you are a Aries and you are pregnant, then also you have to take care of your health during this time. If you are a student and you are preparing for any competitive examination, then also you have to be conscious, because this is not so good time for you to overcome the challenges and the troubles during this time. For 1 month, try to offer water to Sun daily. It is going to help you out to overcome the challenges which you are going to face because of the Sun transit in Leo for you. Taurus, this particular transit is not in your favor. You have to be conscious for coming 1 month. This is not so good time health wise. If you're planning to change your place, then this is not a good time to change your place too. You have to take care of your health, and you have to be conscious in your career. Try to avoid any type of argument with your manager and the higher authority, because this is not so good time career wise. You have to be conscious to avoid any type of challenges during this transit for 1 month. You should donate wheat and jaggery to the needy. It is going to help you out to overcome the challenges because of this transit. Gemini people, Sun transit in Leo is a very good transit for you. This is a very good time. You are going to see a lot of improvement in your career, finances wise and the career wise. If you are looking for a job change since long, then there are very high possibility. If you are going to do the hard work during this time, there are very high possibility that you will be able to get job during this time. Overall, this is a good period for you. Try to complete your pending task during this time, and to get more blessings of Sun during this time, offer water to Sun daily. It is going to help you out to get most of the benefits during this time. So this is a sometime there is a very good time which come in people's life. So for you Gemini people, try to work on yourself. Try to complete all your pending tasks, because when universe is in your favor, when luck is in your favor, so your work can complete successfully during this time. Cancer, Sun transit of Leo is not so favorable time for you. Sun is going to give you problem in your marriage life. You have to be conscious in your marriage life. You are going to face problem in your love relationship without any reason. You may face like quarrels or fights between you and your partner. This is not so good time health wise too. You have to take care of your you have to take care of your bones and eyes health too. During this time, avoid taking any important decisions, Avoid doing any type of investment during this time. If you are investing in any type of if you are investing in share, if you are doing share trading or any type of speculative trading, then this is not a good time for the investment. To overcome the challenges during this time, try to donate wheat or jaggery to the needy every Sunday. Along with this, chant mantra Om Adityaya Namah for coming 1 month. It is going to help you out to overcome the challenges. Leo, Sun transit in Leo itself in your own zodiac sign is not a good transit for you. You have to take care of your health, especially eyes and bones, and you have to be a little bit conscious in your relationship, also in your love relationship as well as marriage life. So this is a time where you have to avoid any type of argument with your manager, higher authority, with your family members or the loved one, because time is not so much in your favor. You have to take care of your career too. Don't take your career for granted during this time, because there are high possibility that you may lose a job, or because of the argument between you and your manager, things will not be in your favor. So try to avoid taking any type of important decisions in the career. Try to avoid any type of conflict with a higher authority and your manager during this time. And to overcome the challenges during this time because of the transit, try to chant mantra Om Adityaya Namah and offer water to sun daily. It is going to help you out to overcome the challenges which you are going to face because of this transit for coming 1 month. Virgo, Sun transit in Leo is not a good transit for you. You have to take care of your health, especially eyes and bones. Avoid any type of conflict with your family members and the loved one, because this is not so good time. You have to maintain relationship with your manager, with your loved one and with your family members too. You have to take care of the health of your family members, especially adult family member, because this is not so good time for your as well as your family members' health. To avoid any type of challenges during this time, try to offer water to sun daily and chant mantra Om Adityaya Namah. If possible, try to donate jaggery to the needy every Sunday. Libra, Sun transit into Leo is a very good time for you. This is a good time. Try to complete all your work during this time, because time is in your favor. This is a good time career wise and money wise. If you're looking for a job change since long, then this is a good time. There are high possibility that you will be able to get the job. This is overall a good time. It is a good time to manifest your life also. When planets are in your favor and you make a wish and manifest for it, things will become easier for you. So try to do more hard work during this time to get the benefits and to get more blessings from the universe. Try to visit to any temple every Sunday. Doing this will help you out to get more blessings from the sun planet. Scorpio, for you, Sun transit in Leo is a very good time. All your pending work will be completed successfully. This is a good time. There are high possibility that you will be able to buy your own property or vehicle during this time. If you are looking for a job change, then there are high possibility you will be able to find the job during this time. This is a positive transit for you. So try to complete all your pending tasks during this time. And to get more blessings from Lord Sun, try to offer water to sun daily. This will be going to help you out to enhance your luck. Overall, this is a good period for you. Sagittarius, Sun transit into Leo is not so good time for you. You have to take care of your health as well as you have to take care of your life partner health too. This is not so good time career wise. You have to be little bit conscious while taking any major changes or taking major decisions in your career. This is not a good time. Try to avoid any type of argument or the fights with your partner or your manager or the family member. And this is a time where go with the flow. Try not to take any important decisions. To overcome the challenges during this time, try to offer water to sun daily. Donate jaggery to the needy every Sunday. It is going to help you out to overcome the challenges during this time. Capricorn, Sun transit into Leo is not at all good time for you. You have to be extra conscious in your career. Avoid any type of arguments and the quarrels in your career with your manager. Avoid taking any important decisions during this time. You have to take care of your health as well as you have to take care of your father's health also during this time. To avoid any type of challenges during this time, offer water to sun daily and chant mantra Om Adityaya Namah. This is going to help you out to overcome the challenges during this time. Aquarius, Sun transit in Leo is not a good time for you. First, you have to take care of your mental health. You have to be conscious in your love relationship. Avoid any type of fights and the quarrels with your partner, and be alert or be extra alert in your relationship, because this is not so good time. If you're married, then you have to be conscious in your married life, and if you are in relationship with someone, so you have to maintain good relationship, because this is not so good time relationship wise and health wise. To avoid the challenges during this time, offer water to sun daily and chant mantra Om Adityaya Namah. This is going to help you out to overcome the challenges during this time. Pisces, this is a good time for you. Sun transit in Leo will be a blessings for you. Try to do more hard work during this time. You are going to see changes in your career, and these changes will be positive for you. So overall, this is a good time. If you want to change a job, then this is a good time to change a job. If you are looking for a job change, then this is a good time. There are high possibility that you will be able to get the job, but with a hard work only. To get more blessings of the sun, try to offer water to sun daily. So this particular transit is beneficial for few zodiac sign, but not so good for other zodiac sign. The zodiac sign for whom this is a beneficial time, good time for you. So try to take all the important decisions during this time. And for the zodiac sign for whom it is not so good time, then three things you have to do during this time. First, try to wear more white color clothes. Offer water to sun daily, and every Sunday try to donate jaggery or wheat to the needy. This will be going to help you out to avoid any type of challenges during this time. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day.